Open Planet Ideas, a platform engaging a community globally to solve a tough environmental challenge to make a positive impact on the world, leveraging existing Sony technology.
This is really one of the first attempts of Sony to work with the crowdsourcing and open innovation on that scale.
It's important to crowdsource because if we're going to arrive at sustainable solutions, we need to take an inclusive approach. We need to involve communities, we need to involve consumers, we need to involve the public to get their buy-in, but also their thinking on this.
We've had input from people in over 100 countries. People are learning through the process and together coming up with a better solution than anyone would individually.
I want to see amazing creative thinking, I want to see massive innovation, I want to see thinking out of the box, I want to see real imaginative, inspiring ideas that we can think about and really engage Sony's technology with.
In this phase, we were requesting people to tell us what are the biggest problems they see which need solving. And actually today I'm meeting with all the experts of the panel to try to find out which stream we are going to focus on the rest of the challenge.
We all know the challenges. The challenges are, climate change is clearly having impacts. Waste is clearly having impacts. However, what we want to get round to, I think, is getting people to think, there's something I can do about it in a really positive way, something to actually make my quality of life and the quality of life of others increased, rather than saying we've got to do with less. Perhaps ultimately we do have to do with less, but maybe it's really less about doing with less and more about doing differently.
The process from now is to start refining the ideas, provide a bit more of a steer on where we need problem solving to happen and what are the hot spots and where can ideas and solutions really tackle those big problem areas.
We had three themes to start with. We had low carbon, waste and water, and what we've done in a sense is combine the three of them. We've given it the sort of umbrella of one planet living, so in other words finding ways in which we can live sustainably on the planet and looking at how technology can support these approaches.
We took a decision some time ago that we would not set out to commercially exploit anything. It would be great to think that this actually triggered something that people would remember in years to come as, yes, that was the start of that, and that really did make a difference.